Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, so welcome to this section of Android Studio development tutorial. In this section we are going to learn about linear layout. Okay, so what are layouts, and the explanation of relative layout is present in the earlier video. You can go through it first. Then the second layout is linear layout. Now as we seen in relative layout, what happens? There is no fixed position. All the elements are placed in relation to one another. Okay, we use the below property, layout below property, and we place the elements. However, in linear layout there is fixed position of all the characters. Okay, so for example, instead of this relative layout, here I am using a linear layout. Okay. Yes, so linear layout. Now in linear layout there are two types of linear layouts. First one is horizontal and second one is vertical. Now if I have to divide a screen linearly means in a line, there can be two directions. Either I can divide it one below the other, or I can divide it in front of, okay, like horizontally, vertically. Okay. Now the directions might be wrong. You might be saying that this is actually vertical and this is horizontal. Let's see an example of it. In Android, we have the reverse of it. So if I am saying that I am using linear layout vertical, it means what? My screen is divided horizontally. And if I am saying I am using a linear layout horizontal, it means what? The screen is divided vertically. Okay? Because of the axis. Okay? So when I am dividing the screen vertically, which axis is divided? The horizontal axis, right? This is the horizontal axis and it is getting divided, and that is why we say that it is a horizontal linear layout. Okay? So we are going to see these both types of linear layouts in this video here. First of all, now how to specify whether a linear layout is a vertical layout or a horizontal layout. So first of all, you have to add linear layout. In this linear layout, we have to add a property that is orientation. Okay? So orientation, you can select either vertical orientation or horizontal orientation. Let's first go for the vertical orientation. So we have already developed a login page using the vertical orientation. What happened when I added the text view? Okay, let's say in this vertical linear layout, I am adding a text view here. So sorry. Okay. So capital text view, wrap content, close this text view tag. Here I am going for the text property, welcome to linear layout. Okay. Now directly if I add a second text view with a text like second text view, so automatically this second text view appears below the first text view. Okay, and this is property of linear layout vertical. In relative layout, we have to position it in the relation. Here there is no need to manually position it. If you are using linear layout vertical, you can place the controls one below the other. Okay, so first text view will occupy the first row, second text view will occupy the second row, third text view will occupy the third row, like whatever controls, not only text view. Okay, so here I have added text views. I will add a button and text. Submit. So what has happened? Automatically this submit button is on the third line, third row. Why? Because we are using linear layout vertical. Now if I switch to linear layout horizontal, let's check what happens. So here instead of vertical, I'll make it horizontal. What is the change? As soon as we shifted from vertical to horizontal, all the components are now in front of one another. Say welcome to linear layout, second text view, submit. So when I am using linear layout horizontal, my screen is divided in this manner, whereas if you are using linear layout vertical, your screen is divided in this manner. Okay. Now where linear layout vertical is widely used, for example, if you have to make a registration page, login page, or dashboard, home page, anywhere, we place the controls one below the other. But where is the linear layout horizontal used? Okay, so in many applications, social media applications where you have to scroll the suggested persons, suggested friends, or on some app downloading apps, okay, the apps which provide the platform for game downloading. Okay, so there also we find the view to scroll the tabs, okay, to scroll the apps. So in that case, we have to use this linear layout horizontal. Again, it depends on your application. If you have to design a table-like view, you will have to use both linear layout vertical as well as linear layout horizontal. So in linear layout horizontal, all the controls will be one after the other. So see, in front of one another. Whereas if you are using linear layout vertical, what will happen? The controls will be one below the other. Okay? So this is all about linear layout. We will study the next layout, that is constraint layout, in the next video.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.